Yeah, here we have a Jet 18-inch vertical woodworking bandsaw. It's 115 volt, 1 3/4 horsepower. It appears to be just slightly used. It's in running condition. And what we're going to do is we're just going to fire it up for you, just show you that it does operate. So the on button. We'll shut the unit off. Okay. Your blade guide goes up and down. And then in the back here you have a quick tensioner. Your motor, dust chute, miter gauge, and it does include some guides. Now what we did is we had the original blade that came with the machine. We made an attempt to reinstall it, put it back on, try to get it going here, but what would happen here was it wouldn't track properly on the wheels, and it was actually coming forward here and cutting into the table. So I don't know if it's the blade or if it needs some really fine adjustments. We went to the website, we downloaded the blade tension, blade tracking information here, but after about an hour we just couldn't get it to track properly. Okay, we will include the blade with it. It's a 3/4 inch blade, but you probably use up to or down to about 1/8 of an inch, it looks like, up to 1.5 inch. And it appears that whoever had it last had to weld some new hinges on here or do a repair on the existing hinges. That's what it kind of looks like here. I don't know what happened. It has minimal signs of use. There's a couple little paint scuffs on the base. Looks like there was a sticker here, a small dent right here, a little paint chip right here. But overall, it doesn't show a whole lot of signs of use. There wasn't any heavy metal shavings on it or anything like that. As you can see inside here, just maybe a trace amount of metal shavings or whatever, wood shave. It really wasn't. It's a wood machine, so there wasn't really any wood cut on it, as far as we know. So I think the metal shavings was the blade actually cutting into the table here. And we thank you for looking at our product.